So today we'll take a look at how you can freeze a frame or hold a frame in DaVinci Resolve, and it's pretty simple. All we want to do is find our video, put it on the timeline. Once we've found the frame we want to freeze or hold, we're just going to select it. So you can see here we have this hammer hitting some ice, we've got some cool splashback, and I want to freeze this frame. So all we simply do is we go to our blade tool, we click where it is on the timeline like so, we press the backwards arrow on our keyboard to go back a frame. We're really zoomed in on the timeline if that seems like a big jump for you. And we crop it again, cut it again should I say. And then once we have our clip, we can just move this up a bit. All we do is going to right click on the clip we want to change. I'm going to click change clip speed. Once we're in here, we just want to click freeze frame, change. Then we can just drag this out and make it the full length of the clip. So if we play it from here, so if we play our clip, you're going to see, if we go back a little bit, you'll see that the frame freezes. And that's how you freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, please like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you next time.